Okay, this is video 6-132, reinforced thumbs, carpal, anterior to posterior, posterior to anterior glide. So on this one, patient's going to be seated, doctor's going to be standing in front of the patient, facing the patient on the affected side. So I'm going to have the patient for this one, I'm going to do posterior to anterior first. The segmental contact point is going to be any of the carpal bones, so except for the piezoform. So on this one, it is going to be a contact point of a thumb contact with the reinforced. I'm going to do a inside thumb contact on the scaphoid. I feel that the scaphoid is right here. Then I come in and I do a thumb, outside hand, thumb reinforced contact. I'm going to take the patient's hand into slight extension. I'm going to press posterior to anterior, and I guess it's roughly 30 degrees of extension. I'm going to feel loss of springing motion and a posterior to anterior in range. Then I'm going to tricep flick, posterior to anterior. I'm going to come off, then reassess, and I feel that joint motion has been restored, and then I can move over, lunate, hamate, triquetrum, etc. So on this one, I'm going to do anterior to posterior. On the scaphoid again, I'm going to come in, feel for scaphoid, and then I'm going to reinforce inside hand this time on my outside thumb on the scaphoid. I'm going to bring it into roughly 40 degrees of flexion, and then I feel loss of springing motion when I assess, and I'm going to tricep flick, anterior to posterior, and then come back, reassess, joint motion has been restored.